turn it back off, and then we'll all walk down to the end of the hallway together. You can walk with us because I'm scared of bats.
I never noticed that light that bright before.
It hasn't been that bright. What was that blue thing, Louie?
I don't know, that was cool. Where was bat? Shouldn't be a bat.
What?
I said it shouldn't be a bat.
No, it was a blue light.
Sorry, I have to take my flashlight. Can you turn it off?
Well, Emily, thank you.
Thank you very much.
You are awesome, little girl. You are the best thing here.
How about these lights? Can you make these lights light up real quick? First. Real quick.
Just make them blink. They'll go all the way red, real pretty.
Okay.
All
It's
right.
okay. Thank you.
We might need to charge yours a little bit when we get down there.
That was really, really exciting.
That was exciting, and
That's what that looked like.
I got to figure out what that was, because
I want to take your picture before I leave, okay? Not for the camera. Real big smile. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Emily.
You may be nodding, but thank you. I'm not really sure who you are, but it kind of sucks that you only get like 15 minutes.
I know. I think that lasted a little long, the whole, I mean, it was cool, but
What?
the big when we first got up here. Did you hear that?